What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to HERSTYLEZ TV. I'm back with another video. Okay, so y'all see my hair, right? Your girl been struggling with this hair because I haven't been struggling with this hair. I've been neglecting my hair. Being a hairstylist, I don't be feeling like doing my hair and all the necessary things that it take to take care of my hair, and that's on my fault. But when I was younger, I used to be like, man, why her hair ain't done, or why his hair ain't done, but I see now my hairstylist back at home used to be in a hat or hair pulled back or something like that. But I see now, because you just be exhausted, or you just don't feel like doing your own hair after servicing your clients and make sure they, are looking right and tight. And yeah, so I've been neglecting this hair. So to not neglect it any further, I'm going to put it away. And my go-to protective style is crochet braids. So this time I'm going to try this Niseyo handmade hair. I ordered these from Amazon, and I'm trying the butterfly locks. And I only got them in 12 inches because I didn't want them really long. But yeah, butterfly locks. This is my first time trying butterfly locks, but we gonna see. So this hair is, I thought it's soft, but it's not soft. It's a little firm to it, because like they wrapped this tight. They was not playing, okay? But yeah, so I have 6 packs of this and 1 pack of 30, because I always like a little color. But yes, from Amazon, and I will put the link in the description of this hair. But yes, so let's see how this goes. But so my hair's already blow dried, and yeah, we just got to get to braiding. Help me out. I wish I had somebody to braid my hair, but nope, it's not gonna work that way. So let's get right into it, okay? So I already, don't judge my braids, because child, don't judge my braids. But I always like to put in one when I do the first braid, to make sure it is big enough, the braid is big enough that it's not hard to pull through. So that's just a tip when you're doing your braids, to make sure it goes through when you braid first, when you put in the first braid. And yeah, y'all know what I mean. You know what I mean. But anywho, so yes. All right, let's continue. Alright, so when I braid, I'm trying a little something different, to braid like a little square in the front, as you can see, so I can kind of get the lock closer to the front, instead of having a little space. So we're going to see how that works. And yeah, I'm just doing, I like to do the 2 short braids in the front and connect them, and then braid the rest of it back. Because it's hard for me to try to braid my own hair in a circle like I do my clients. But yeah, this is the way I braid my hair when I'm doing it myself. You got to work it out when you're doing it yourself. But yes, this is how I braid. I connect the front 2 and then braid the rest going back. Now the first 2 braids that I did earlier, I do put a braid going across in the back. I just like the way it lays better for me. So yeah, I do that. And then like I said, showing you right here, I just braid going back, straight back. I hope you understand what I said. All right. All right, so I'm done braiding, and I really didn't show you because I'm gonna just say it's just a little ghetto. I just made it work how I could. But anywho, after I finished braiding, I'm putting some of my iStyles growth oil on my hair. It didn't have a label on it, but yeah, that's what I'm using. It's very stimulating to the scalp. It makes your scalp feel nice and soothing, and it's also a growth oil, like I said. And so I always sew the end down just so it could be more secure for me. That's how I do it. But yes, I braid the end, and then we're gonna get to crocheting. All right. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. Now, I do like the finished look, but getting these ends were a little difficult. As you can see in the video, I had to struggle with the loops, and I had to, you know how when you do like some twist crochets or braid crochets, how you keep the hook in, just hook the end on and pull it through? No. As you can see in the video, I had to push the end through, and the ends are kind of hard, which I don't care for. And I did cut one, but it looked like it was unraveling a little bit, so I decided not to cut the rest because I saw someone on the Amazon review said they cut the ends, but I'm scared they might. See this one right here, I cut this one, and it's kind of, well, it's kind of springy, but I don't know how it's gonna act, how it will be in a week or two. So I decided not to cut these. And they wrap these things tight. But I will try butterfly locks again. Probably not this brand. And plus, I ordered them off of Amazon. I might go to the beauty supply next time to get them. But yes, I like the end result. Of course, I had, like I said, and do my splash of color. And yeah. So that's it, you guys. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a video. And thumbs up if you like my reaction. Comment, have you tried butterfly locks? Have you tried the Niseyo hair? And also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at HERSTYLEZ with the Z15. All right, folks. So I will see you on the next one.